In this video, I'm going to show you how to split transactions in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Splitting transactions lets you divide a single payment into multiple categories, which is useful for things like groceries, bills, or mixed purchases. To split a transaction on desktop, go to the Transactions page and expand the transaction. Click the three-dot menu, then select Split Transaction. From there, enter the merchant, category, and amount for each split. You can add more splits as needed, then click Split into Transactions to save. If you need to make changes later, you can open the transaction again and select Open Splits to edit or remove them. You can also automate this using rules. Go to Settings, then Rules, and create a new rule. Set your conditions, like a specific merchant and exact amount. Then choose Split Transaction as the action. Define how the amount should be divided, preview it, and save. This way, future transactions that match will be split automatically. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.